Hard hats can protect workers from head impact, penetration injuries, and electrical injuries, such as those caused by falling or flying objects, fixed objects, or contact with electrical conductors. Employers must ensure that their employees wear head protection if any of the following apply. Objects might fall from above and strike them on the head. They might bump their head against fixed objects such as exposed pipes or beams, or if there's a possibility of accidental head contact with electrical hazards. Protective helmets or hard hats should do the following: resist penetration by objects, absorb the shock of a blow, be water resistant and slow burning, provide clear instructions explaining proper adjustment and replacement of the suspension and headband, hard outer shell and a shock-absorbing lining that incorporates a headband and straps that suspend the shell from 1 to 1 1/4 inches away from the head. Provide shock absorption during an impact and ventilation during normal wear. Types of hard hat. Class G, General. Protects against falling objects and electrical shock up to 2,200 volts. Class E, Electrical. Protects against falling objects and electrical shocks up to 20,000 volts. Class C, Conductive. Protects against falling objects. Class C hard hats are not designed for use around live electrical wire or corrosives. Another class of protective hard hat is called a bump cap, designed for use in areas with low head clearance. Now, they're recommended for areas where protection is needed from head bumps and lacerations. These are not designed to protect against falling or flying objects and are not ANSI compliant or OSHA approved, so they're only appropriate for situations where a hard hat is not required, but some basic head protection is still desired. It's essential to check the types of hard hat or safety helmet employees are using to ensure that the equipment provides appropriate protection. Each hard hat should bear a label inside the shell that lists the manufacturer, the ANSI designation, and the class of the hat. Head protection that is either too large or too small is inappropriate for use even if it meets all other requirements. Most protective headgear comes in a variety of sizes with adjustable headbands to ensure a proper fit. Some allow for the use of various accessories to help employees deal with changing environmental conditions, such as slots for earmuffs, safety glasses, face shields, and mounted lights. A daily inspection of the hard hat's shell, suspension system, and other accessories for holes, cracks, tears, or other damage that might compromise the protective value of the hat is essential. Never drill holes, paint, or apply labels to protective headgear, as this may reduce the integrity of the protection. Do not store protective headgear in direct sunlight, and know that extreme heat can damage them. Now, although popular, decorations and stickers are not typically allowed on hats as they prohibit thorough inspection for cracks and defects. Hard hats with any of the following defects should be removed from service and replaced: perforation, cracking, or deformity of the brim or shell, and an indication of exposure of the brim or shell to heat, chemicals, or ultraviolet light and other radiation. Always replace a hard hat if it sustains an impact, even if damage is not noticeable.